In the first part of the story, we have seen that Khejdi tree is famous in Rajasthan, and the village that holds plenty of Khejdi tree is known as Khejrali village, and a girl named Amrita was lived there. It is the story of Amrita, and we will move forward to see the friends of Amrita. You have friends of your class, you have friends nearby your society, but who are the friends of Amrita? Let's see. Amrita would get up early every morning and greet her friends, the trees. Yes, trees are the friends of Amrita. She would choose a special tree for the day. हर दिन उसको एक स्पेशल ट्री चूज करना था. शी वुड पुट हर आर्म्स अराउंड द ट्री ट्रंक एंड विस्पर टू द ट्री. अब हर दिन वो अलग अलग पेड़ को हग करती और उसको कान में कुछ कहती. इट मीन्स देयर इज ए स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन बिटवीन अमृता and the tree. She always chose a different tree. Now we can see that what she whispered. Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. A thank you note was given by Amrita to the tree. She is very much thankful to the tree because I love you very much. Give your strength to me also. She is inviting the help of the tree. Like Amrita, the other children also had their special trees. They would play for hours in the shade of the trees. Yes, they do the same as Amrita was doing. Everyone hug the tree and shows their togetherness and love and affection towards the tree. One question is there: is there a place near your house, school, or along the roadside where trees have been planted? Have you seen such kind of plantation near your school, near your house, or anywhere else that you have seen? Why were they planted there? Why we have planted the trees or plants near roadside? You can see why these are planted. Any reason? क्यों प्लांट किया जाता है इनको सड़कों के किनारे? Yes, they have a strong reason because the passengers can use them. They can sit near the shade of the tree. They can enjoy the air. You have seen the pictures in which school buildings and other buildings are surrounded by the trees. They have plenty of benefits. Even your house is surrounded by the trees. Next question is that have you seen anyone taking care of the trees? Who does this? आपने देखा होगा कि कोई ना कोई आदमी जरूर इनकी केयर करता होगा. जैसे ये शहर में है, ये किसी न किसी द्वारा जरूर केयरिंग किए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, हैव यू सीन फ्रूट्स ऑन एनी ऑफ द ट्री? हु ईट्स दीज फ्रूट्स? इन फ्रूट्स को कौन खाता है? नो डाउट द मैन हु टेक केयर ऑफ दीज ट्रीज कैन ईट. Even you can also. Next, Lalita feels that grass and small plants growing near school wall have not been planted by anyone. Do you know of any place where grass and small plants can be grown like this? Yes, if we see, these kind of grass can be grown automatically. These are called weeds. इनको वीड्स बोला जाता है. ये अनवांटेड प्लांट्स होते हैं जो कि अपने आप ही उग जाते हैं. यू कैन सी वाइल्ड प्लांट्स दैट कैन grow automatically without any help. Why do you feel they are growing on their own? आपको कैसे पता है कि ये अपने आप ही उगते हैं? Because they do not need any assistant. आपने देखा होगा जो बिल्डिंग के अंदर हैं ये प्लांट्स, इनको तो अच्छे से ग्रो किया जाता है, बट आउटसाइड हम कुछ भी प्रयास नहीं करते, वो ऑटोमेटिकली ही उगते हैं. We have completed the portion of question answers. Now we are moving the next topic, trees in danger. Yes, trees are in danger. Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day she went to greet her trees. जैसे ही वो बड़ी होती है वो डेली की तरह ग्रीट करने जाती है, बट टॉपिक कहता है कि ट्रीज खतरे में है. कैसे खतरे में हैं? आपने देखा पिक्चर में कुछ स्ट्रेंजर्स हैं जो उन ट्रीज को कट करना चाहते हैं. ऐसे रिमूव करना, ट्री को कट करना एक काफ़ी बड़े एरिया में डिफोरेस्टेशन बोला जाता है. पेड़ों को काटना ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल, कंप्लीट रिमूवल बोला जाता है डिफोरेस्टेशन. Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room or something beside forest. ऐसे ही कहानी में राजा जी ने आदेश दिया था पेड़ों को काटने के लिए, खेजड़ी पेड़ों को काटने के लिए. She saw that there were some strangers in the village. They had axes with them. They said that the king had sent them टू कट ट्रीज फॉर वुड. ट्री जो राजा था अभय सिंह, उन्होंने आदेश दिया था कि जाओ और खेजड़ी पेड़ों को काट दो. दैट्स वाई द स्ट्रेंजर्स, द सोल्जर्स केम टू द विलेज एंड कट द ट्री. द वुड वॉज नीडेड फॉर द बिल्डिंग ऑफ किंग्स पैलेस. राजा के महल में वो वुड यूज होनी थी. दैट्स वाई दे केम. राजा के आदेश का पालन करना था और उन्होंने पेड़ को काटना था. अब ऑन सीइंग दिस, अमृता's daughter and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. अब बहुत सारे आदमी पेड़ों को बचाने के चक्कर में मारे गए. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for trees. He visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. राजा को बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता चला कि कैसे लोगों ने जान दे दी और वहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा संख्या में लोग मारे गए. हमने यहाँ तक इसको कंप्लीट कर लिया है.